Well, Texas might be getting past the last wave of COVID-19 deaths, but an Austin crematorium says the pandemic has left some crematoriums with too many bodies to process.
And that means some families must wait even longer for their loved ones to be returned. 6 News reporter Andrew Moore is live in the 6 News studio, and he explains tonight. Andrew?
Robert Falcone at Affordable Burial and Cremation Services says they now have 170 bodies in cold storage, and they are still dealing with the results of the pandemic, even if no one else sees it.
In 35 years of practice, I have never seen the amount of death that I've seen in the last 18 months.
Before the pandemic started, Affordable Burial and Cremation saw around 125 deceased individuals a month. But during the spikes in the pandemic, they saw 200 or more. With one cremation machine, Falcone says they could barely keep up.
We were operating the crematory in 2 different shifts, 7 days a week, just trying to keep up with the amount of deaths.
The business got another machine, but the deaths and the demand continued to rise and overwhelm the industry. Falcone says there are actually only 10 cremation machines in our Central Texas area. The company expanded its storage, and another company in Temple, Central Texas Mortuary Services, had to bring in a trailer to store bodies. But the issue continued.
There was a period of time there for a week that every decedent that we got out of hospital in Killeen, Texas was COVID positive.
And Falcone's job also gave him a firsthand look at what workers in hospitals are facing.
The look on the healthcare professionals' faces, they're beat up. They're physically beat up. They're emotionally beat up because of the amount of care that these patients take.
So while some people are trying to move on from the pandemic, Falcone can't, because he still sees the cost of COVID-19 every day.
I had to bite my tongue with friends as I saw posts on social media and people who were kind of naysayers. I really wish that they'd come and spend a day with any funeral director that they know.
Falcone is also asking anyone considering cremation to understand the task their industry faces right now. He says some families may still need to wait 4 weeks or more for their loved one to be returned. Guys?
Yeah, yet another side effect of this pandemic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.